Today in this video, we're going to talk about the Elements feature in Canva. It can be found on the left-hand side where all of your other tools are. So when we come into Elements, we can see that there are a variety of different options for us. And elements are going to be those graphics or extra features, excluding text, that we can put into our document to create a presentation or a poster or whatever type of graphic that we are trying to make that day. So elements consist of shapes, lines, graphics. We also have tables, photos, video, audio, charts, stickers, frames, and grids. So there are a variety of different elements that we can use to design our presentation or project. So when we go to our Canva elements, we have a search bar at the top where we can search for anything that we can think of. And if Canva has it in their library, it will populate, including all of the different options, if there is one available for that search. The other cool thing that I really like about Canva is that you can search in English, but also as many world languages as you would like. So all of your students can have that accessibility feature when trying to design a project. So if we come in here, we're going to start by just searching for a house. And it's going to bring up my graphics first, and then I can actually divide it by different photos, different graphics, videos, so I can search by the categories that I'm looking for my particular element. I can also scroll through and see if there's anything that really catches my eye, but it's not exactly what I want. And then I can search for more that are like that element. So if you hover over one of your elements, you'll see these three little dots. You can click on those dots and see what some of the keywords are. And then once you look at the keywords, if those seem to match what you're searching for, you can come down to the bottom option that says see more like this. And then you will see other searches that are related to those keywords that it showed you before. When you find an element that you like, all you do is simply click on it, and it will bring it over into your Canva workspace on the right-hand side. Now, some of the graphics are customizable, but not all of them are. For all of the graphics, you will be able to resize them just by using a click and drag. Some you will be able to resize the height and the width separately, but not all. And then others you will also be able to change the color of. If you don't have a color palette up here, then it's not an element in which we can customize that color. But I can come in, I can change the two colors that are in my graphic to match my theme of my presentation. This is a great resource to start building something from scratch, or if you've taken a template and it just doesn't have exactly what you want in it, you can add in all of these additional designs. There are a couple of edit options as well, but we will talk about those in a future video.